Hello?
Yeah, Krish, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, yes.
Yes. You could practice whatever we did yesterday.
Oh, I just got the email like an hour ago.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah,
Yeah, tell
I
me.
couldn't get the
Tell
yeah, I couldn't
me.
get the I just got the email an hour ago. Like I couldn't even practice it. I would try I was waiting for the email to get the YouTube link
Okay.
and I just got an hour ago.
So where did we complete yesterday? You remember where we stopped yesterday? We worked on sorting data.
We worked on the on the order ordering
Yes, or by
data.
class. Sort
Yeah.
data.
Order
Yes.
class, yeah.
Okay. Functions of Oracle. Every database has a huge list of functions.
Yes.
What are these functions? They are predefined routines to do a particular task.
Okay. What's it called? Functions?
Routine.
Routine.
Predefined.
Routine.
They're
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
defined. Like if you call the sum function, what is the job of the sum function? To add the values.
Yes. Okay. So.
So if you okay, okay, they are categorized as single row or scalar functions.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Single row or scalar functions.
Yeah. Okay.
Aggregate or group functions.
Okay.
Okay. In a single row function. For every input, for one input, you're going to get one output.
Okay.
For a group function, for multiple inputs, you're going to get one output. Multiple inputs, you're going to get one output. That's the group function?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, I
Select lower E name from EMP.
Yes.
So can I ask you one question? How do you remember? Okay, once you're off from the all these things, can you guys send me some like notes? I mean, not the notes, but like textbook or something else, like to remind me.
Yes. I was pretty occupied today. I had an 8-hour session outside somewhere, so I was pretty occupied today. I will share it after the session. I'm very sorry for that. I said yesterday itself I'll be sharing with you. I couldn't because I was quite occupied. I will do it. I will do it today. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes.
So
you got 14 rows output, question.
I'm sorry, what?
You got 14 rows output?
Yes, I did. So what does it do? What's the lower E name means?
Convert every employee to lowercase, employee name to lowercase. So we have 14 employee names and all 14 of them are getting converted to lowercase.
Okay, that's the function of the lower EMP. That's it, nothing else?
Yes, that's the function of lower EMP. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is a single row function. What do you mean by single row function? For an input, you're going to get one output. For one input, you're going to get one output.
Yes.
For two inputs, you're going to get two outputs. For 14 inputs, you're going to get 14 outputs. Okay. Yeah. Now let's do the other one. What is the other one? Aggregate function or the group function? Select sum of sal from EMP. So when you do select sum of sal from EMP, can you please do that?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Okay. What? No. Select. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So you actually get this sum. I mean the sum of all the salaries, all the employees.
Yes. So you are getting one output.
Yes.
You are giving 14 inputs, but you're getting only one output.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's sum of. Yeah.
This is, yeah.
Okay.
So this is an aggregate function or a group function.
Yes.
So there are two categories of functions. One is a scalar function, which will give you an output for every input. The other one is an aggregate function, which will take multiple inputs and give you one output.
Yes. Yeah. So
Now
load
let's
empty.
see.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's see. This is just an example, just to make you feel that these are the built-in functions.
So
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 let's
the
see
thing is,
some
at
examples.
another day, it's a characters can have like multiple inputs, but only like one input, but multiple outputs. But uh, 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 numerical value has only like one input and can get multiple outputs.
No, 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 no,
Okay.
no,
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 no, maybe
no,
not.
no.
Maybe not. No, no. Yeah.
So what is it all about now? See, it goes like this. You have, okay, you have two functions, two categories of functions. One is a single row function, the other one is an aggregate function. So in a single row function, for an input, you're going to get one output. For every input, you will get one output. For an aggregate function, for multiple inputs, you're going to get one output.
Okay. Okay. What's a scalar? What does scalar means?
Scalar means we have something called a scalar data types, measurable ones, like character, like date, like number. We are going to
Okay.
call these functions on those fields. I'll give you in detail. This is just a sample of it.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
under scalar are single row functions. We have character functions, numeric functions, date functions, conversion functions, and generic functions. These are
Okay.
the categories of scalar functions.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so under character functions, what are character functions? Character functions can be called on columns of character data type.
Yeah. Yes.
Like what? Like what? Like employee name, like job.
Yeah.
Character
Anything,
functions are called on columns. Yes,
anything which is only depends on characters, not numerical values. Other than can you put like numerical values and character values into one?
yes, you can. It depends
Okay.
on the type of function you're calling. It's
Yeah.
just a query what we write. We can call one numeric function on a numeric field, comma we can give, and we can do one character function. We can call one character function.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so now
Yes.
characters. Let us see. How are we going to do it? See, so any select statement we write, we need to give the table name. Select something from table name. Okay, just to see how these functions work. What will upper do? Upper will convert to uppercase. What will lower do? Will convert to lowercase. What will trim do? It will L trim and R trim. Trimming something from the left side, something from the right side.
Okay.
Okay, the meaning of this everybody can understand. So just to test this, why should we call it on a table? Why should we call it on a table which is having some 14 rows? See, for the training, we have tables of only 14, 15, 20 rows. But in real time, if you start working on a customer project, real-time application, you will not find tables with anything less than some 50,000 records.
Yes.
Nothing less than that. Okay,
Yes.
minimum anything will be of that volume and size. Okay,
Yes.
so why should we do it on that? So is there any way, is there any alternate way, a simple way, just to understand these functions? So
Yeah.
we have something called as a dual. A dual is a virtual table. You can write anything on dual. You can read anything from dual. You can calculate any expression, any evaluation you can do from dual. See what I am doing. 10 plus 10 into 20. I need to evaluate this. So what will happen? 10 into 20 will be multiplied. 200 plus 10, 210. Okay. This is the calculation you need to do.
Yeah.
From which table? You need to give a table name. So you can
Yeah.
use dual. Dual is present in Oracle. What is dual? Dual is a virtual table, okay, which is accessible by everyone. Now, who is accessing dual? Scott is accessing dual. I hope every day you're
Yeah.
connecting yourself as Scott Tiger. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now, we can do this from dual. Okay. So I'm using dual
Mhm. So
in your character functions.
so my question is, it only works with numerical values? No, not the
No,
not the
no, it
character
can
values.
work on anything.
Okay.
It can work on anything.
So it has a base. Okay, it
Nothing
has
in it.
the okay. No,
It
okay,
has
it has
nothing
nothing
in
in
it.
it. But how would the
Yes,
character
but it
value
will
work?
be used. No, no, it will be used during the runtime, during the execution of the query. We need from a table name. So dual is used for that. That's all. It has nothing in it. You can fetch anything from it just during the runtime of the query. To process
Okay.
the query, dual is used.
So
Actually, dual is a,
no, is there a multiplication table there, like multiplication 10 plus 10 multiplied by 20?
yeah, that's some calculation. See, I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
I can do
So
anything. See,
okay.
select,
Okay.
okay, 10 minus 20 plus 100. I can do anything, any calculation from dual.
So
Okay,
10 plus 10
select.
is 20. 20 times 20 is 400. 400, right?
I didn't get you.
No, 20 times 20 is like not 210. I got 210. 210 in the total.
No, it is 10 times 20 is 200 plus 10, 210. The
Okay.
first one.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is 120 minus, okay, this is what? Minus 90. The second one, you will get 90.
Yes.
Okay, now see what I'm doing. I want to do upper of fish. Upper of KRISH. Upper is a function.
Yes.
Okay, to convert this string to uppercase, I need not hit employee table. I can do it from dual. Dual is a
Yeah.
scratch pad. Okay, it's like a rough book.
Okay. So book. Okay.
So you can read anything from it.
Okay.
Actually, there's nothing in it. When you say
Okay.
select star from dual, there's nothing in it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I got it. I got it. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
So what am I doing here? These are the character functions.
Mm-hmm.
So I was speaking about scalar functions. You have a set of character functions. You have a set of numeric functions. You have a set of date functions and conversion functions, and also generic functions. So let us do something on character functions. Init cap of I'll say Krish.
Yeah.
KRIS. What will init cap do? It will convert the first letter to character uppercase,
Okay.
and it will have all others in lowercase. Upper will convert everything to uppercase, lower will convert everything to lowercase. Length is a function which is going to count the number of characters in a string.
Okay. Yes.
So this is
So
what the function
select.
does.
Okay. Okay. So I also initial cap. Initial cap is the first the word,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes, yes.
So okay. Init cap. Okay. Okay. Got you. Yes. Upper. Okay. Upper crash length. What's the length means? What is the length?
Length
Okay.
is going to count the number of characters. It's just going to
Okay.
return a numeric value,
Only
counting the
numeric
number
value.
of characters. So KRISH, it's 5
Yes.
characters.
Yes. 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 Okay. I got you. I got everything on my command line. Yes.
That's nice. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Okay, ltrim. What will ltrim do? Ltrim will remove something from the left side of the string.
Okay. Yes.
What will rtrim do? Rtrim will remove something from the right side of the string.
Yes.
Ltrim will remove something from the left side of the string. Rtrim will remove something from the right side of the string.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your string? Your string is Krish. KRISH. Which is your left side. K is at the leftmost character.
Yes.
You want to remove K from left side of the string.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
RISH will be the output.
So what are you putting? Okay. Just okay. Yes. Okay. Should always be in quotations, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Even a single character or the string should be in quotations.
That's what it's really confusing to me for sure. So
No, character, no? If they're all character data, right? They should be in quotations.
okay. So I need to put Krish, comma. Why should I put K in there?
Because from the left side of Krish, you want to remove K.
So I think okay. So when I actually give a command, right? So shouldn't be the SQL should know it. What it should do? Like what should I say? It's K again. Should I say I should be saying K again?
Yes, you have to, because this is a function with 2 parameters. This function, only when you read some documents, when you read some textbook, you will know what are the parameters to pass. So ltrim is a function which takes 2 parameters. It takes the string and it takes the pattern, what you want to trim, what you want to cut from the string.
Okay. No,
So
but
you want to
let's say that if there are like 10 employees, right? And I want to remove.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Select employee name, comma, ltrim of employee name. So from employee name, from the left side, I want to remove S. If there's an employee who has S as the leftmost character, it is going to be removed from there. Let's try this. Let's try this.
Yes, I'm trying. Yeah. Select ltrim. Okay, crash. Missing right parenthesis. Select ltrim. Should there be a? Okay, yes.
Ltrim, right?
Yeah,
There's a
yes.
typo.
I got it. Yes.
Ltrim.
Yes, I got it. Yes. So that's ltrim. Okay, I got it. So the next one is lpad.
Yes. Shall I scroll down? Yes. Now let me explain this first.
Yes, sure.
Employee name, you are padding. Padding is nothing but dumping something. Okay. You're padding to the left side of employee name. What is that you want to pad? You want to put some stars?
Yes.
You want to put some stars to the left side of employee name and make it a field of 10 characters long.
Okay.
You want to put some stars and make it a field of 10 characters long.
Yes.
So if Smith is the employee name, Smith, S-M-I-C-H, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So 5 more stars will be put to the left side. Martin is already 6 characters, so only 4 stars will be put.
Yeah.
That's it. Try this, please.
Yeah. No, before that, I just want to try one thing. Like your L name from EMP. Okay, I just want to try this one thing. Okay. Trim. So when I try to select ename, ltrim, ename, brackets, I mean, yes, from EMP, I say ename is Smith, but ltrim ename is Smith too. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so I have a question, right? So I said I tried select ename, ltrim, brackets ename, comma S from EMP, and then the ename is Smith and the ltrim ename is Smith too. But there's no trim on the S side.
Because what you gave S here is lowercase. The actual Smith has S as uppercase. Data is case sensitive.
Sorry, my bad. Okay, I always. Okay, now I got it. Thank you. Okay, yes.
This is, you have to remember because yes, R2 is data is case sensitive.
I always forget that. Okay, sorry. So the next one is select ename lpad. Okay, so you're trying to pad the whole thing with
pad with some pad employee name with some stars at the left side.
Okay. So should I put? Why should I put 10? Like 10 times you meant? That's the reason you put 10?
No. You want the employee name to be 10 characters in size. Actually, names are differing. One employee will have 5 characters, one will have 4 characters, one will have 3 characters, right?
Yes.
Ward is only 4 characters. So you want it to be 10, totally 10. So you're putting the other stars.
Okay. Okay, so if there is no number 10, what would happen?
Yes, it will give you an error because it needs 3 parameters. First one is the string, the second one is the size, what you wanted it to be as. The third one is what you want to pad.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, I saw that. Thank you. Yes, that's true. So it's only on the left type. Okay, like if you want to write padding on the right side, it's like R pad. Okay.
R pad. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Yes. Now I'm taking you to the next function.
Yeah.
Substring, substr. What is substr doing? Substr is going to give you part of the string. Okay. In employee name, you need to go to the second character and get 3 characters. From employee name, from second character, you want to fetch 3 characters.
Okay.
Please try this.
Okay.
From second character, the first character is at position 1. The second character is at position 2. You need 3 characters.
Substring e name 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Substring.
What is the output, Krish?
Yeah. So there's only 3 characters coming out.
Yes, we wanted only 3. That is what we have done.
Okay.
From second character, I want only 3 characters. You don't give anything. So you would get everything from second character.
Okay. Everything from second character, and then okay. And then what's number 3? 3 is a stop. Where you stop it?
No, 3 is, yes, 3 is the 3 from second.
3 from second. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's okay. Where would you use this one though? Like, is this one pretty unique?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Where do you use? Very good question you asked. Okay, you have an employee database. You have a employee table with all the details of employees where you have the email ID. So somewhere in email ID, you have this @ sign.
Yes.
You are not interested in @. You wanted something before that or after that. So you should know in email ID, from this position, you need this many characters, or you need
Okay.
something ahead of this position.
Okay. Yes.
There's a product code. There's a yeah, you got it right. There's a product code which is a fixed pattern. First 3 characters you want to ignore. You are interested only from the 4th character onwards. So you can use substring to give you from 4th character onwards.
Okay. Yeah. So if I want let's say that if my email address is krish133@gmail.com. Let's say that select ename substring ename 1. If I only want the first name, right? So 1, and then stop 1 to like 1 to 5, right? That's how it should be, then like.
Yes.
So if I don't want the if I don't want the from the I only want the first names of the emails.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Now find out. Now I'll give you the next one, the next function. It will tell you where is it found. Where is it found? So once you know where is @, then you can take a call. You wanted something before that or after that.
Yeah.
So who will do that? Okay, before that, try this concatenate function. Concat function. It will combine 2 columns into 1.
Okay. Concat ename job. Okay, so you actually concatenation is something you combine.
Yes, it will combine. We have done something similar to this, right?
Yes,
Early, just few days back, when we started writing basics, pipe symbol, pipe, the parallel line used to combine.
Yes, concatenation, yes.
Okay. Yes. So we saw almost all the character functions. Upper, lower, L3, matrim, LPAD, RPAD, substring. Okay. Now, initial string is an interesting function. What will initial string do? Well, there is a replace function also, replace.
Okay.
Select. What will replace do? In employee name, wherever there is a character yes, you need to replace it with what? With a $.
Yeah, okay.
Uppercase yes, from ENT, that's it. All your S will be replaced.
What if you want to do like 2 or 3 strings at the same time? 2 or 3 characters at the same time.
Wherever. Okay, then it should match. It should be in the same order. Smith, S-M-I-T-H. So in only SM will be replaced with dollar. There should be other names who start with S. SM.
Okay, how about turn Adams? Like how do you switch Adams? I want in a, let's say if someone wants in the same output.
No. Adams, in Adams, you cannot find SM continuously. You find S in a different place, M in a different place, right?
No, I understand that, right? But the thing is, if someone would like to get an output which has Smith and Adams in a similar same output, can we do that or like?
No.
So this one is only for one output.
This one is for one. See, if you find a pattern, yes. If you find a pattern S in employee name, replace it with dollar. If you find a pattern, something like this,
no,
then replace it
with dollar. No, totally. I totally understand that. But my question is, if someone asks me like to replace 2 names from the same output, same input, like let's say Smith,
possible.
It's not possible.
No, that's not possible. See, I can replace SMITH with. I can replace in employee name. If you have SMITH, I can replace it with XXXX. Yeah, please try this. Try this. That's only one input. So wherever you have Smith, all Smith will be replaced with XXXX.
Okay, so you can't. My question is, everything we did, L-trim and L-pad and most of the things, like not L-trim, L-trims and stuff, we only can. There's only one input. You can't say multiple inputs and get one output.
No. What it is, I'll tell you that it's the pattern in employee name. If you find such a pattern, replace it with something else.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Okay, yes.
Okay, let's go to initial string function.
Yeah, I'm doing it. That's good. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, initial string.
Okay, initial string will find the position of a character also.
Yeah.
It will find the position of a character in a string.
Okay.
So let us see. Hello all is your string. HELLO. Hello all is a string.
Okay.
I'm looking for L in hello. I want to find out where is L in hello.
Yes. Yes.
So where is L in hello?
Okay. That's why you use the command initial string. Okay. So you can so that's like number 3. The first string is
exactly.
number 3. Yeah.
Yes, the first L is at 3.
Yeah.
HELLO. The first L is at 3.
Yes.
Okay. Now look at the next one. The same thing. Hello all is your string. You're looking for L in hello all.
Yes.
But do you want to search from the 5th character?
Okay.
You're searching from the 5th character.
Okay.
So which is your 5th character? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're starting from here, right?
Starting from L. Right? You're starting from L.
Starting from O.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No, you're starting from O.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh.
So
okay.
where is your L occurring? When you start from O, the L is here.
Yes.
What's the position of that? 8.
8. Yes. No, 5.
You get 8 as the answer.
Yeah. 6, 7, isn't it?
Right?
Like. Okay.
8. There's a space, right?
Oh, there's a space. Sorry. Okay. Yes. If there's a space, that's 1. Okay. Yes.
That's 1. That's 1. One space is 1.
One space is 1. Yes. Yes. I got you. Starts with L and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. Gotcha. Yes.
I'm repeating the same thing with 4 parameters.
Okay.
In hello all is the string.
Yes.
In hello all.
Yeah.
You are looking for L.
Yeah.
Okay. But you're beginning the search from the 1st character. You're beginning the search from here itself. Beginning the search from there, you want to get the 3rd occurrence of L. First
Okay.
occurrence is at 3. Second
Okay.
occurrence is at 4. Third occurrence is at 8.
Okay. Yes.
You got it? So that
Yeah.
this, the last parameter is the nth occurrence. This is from where to begin the search. The third parameter is from where to begin the search.
Mm-hmm. So okay, that's the same. You get 8 again, the same one.
Yes. If you want the second occurrence,
Yes.
you will get it accordingly.
Yes.
Where is the second L in hello?
Yes.
So what if you want the sixth or the fifth occurrence of L? Do you have the fifth occurrence of L in hello?
Hmm.
Do we have the fifth
No,
occurrence
we
of
only
L
have
in hello?
we only have 4. We only have 4.
4. So the answer we get is 0.
Oh, that's a 0 then. So it won't come out
Yes,
as null.
it won't. It won't.
Okay.
Okay.
Why won't it come out as null? Because it's a null value, right?
No, no, it is 0. It cannot find it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it starts with
Let's suppose the character.
okay. So that's L,
Yeah,
L, is,
yeah.
L is a character, and 1 is the first occurrence of L, and then
No,
it goes.
1 is from where to begin the search. Wait, wait, wait. This 1 is from where to begin the search. Okay.
Yes.
This is your string. You are
So.
looking for the character L in your string.
Uh-huh. So
You're
one is
beginning your search from the.
so one is a H or a L, the first L.
1 is H.
H, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then you are going for number 5. Number 5 is the 5 spaces, I guess. I thought.
No, no, no. 5 is the fifth occurrence of the
Of the
fifth
L. Okay.
occurrence of L in
Okay.
hello all by beginning from 1. So you start from 1. You look for the fifth occurrence of L. You don't have. So you get 0.
0. Okay.
So when you start from 1, you're looking for the second occurrence of L, which is at 4.
Okay. Okay. I understand. I understand now. Thank you.
So when you start from 5, see here, 5, you start from 5. So 5 is O. You start from O, you want the first occurrence because I have not given the next parameter. So it's by default the first occurrence.
Okay.
So initial string with substring is very powerful. Initial string with substring is very powerful. How?
Okay.
Initial string will give you the position of a character in a string.
Yes.
And with substring, you can get from there whatever you wanted. The part
Yes.
of the string can come out.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now we'll get into numeric functions.
Yes. Okay. Just.
Numeric functions.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Numeric functions are called with numeric values, are
Yes.
called with columns with numeric or columns with numeric data type. Okay.
Yes.
They are all single row functions only. They are all scalar functions. For one input, you're going to get one output.
Okay.
So here under numeric functions, you have absolute value, ABS, absolute value, sine, round, trunk, seal, floor, square root,
Okay.
modulus,
Yeah.
and power.
Okay.
Okay, I've done one query, just one query to do with all the functions.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the query? Here is the query. I just typed in multiple lines so that it becomes easy for you to understand.
Yeah.
Just with comma, I've typed it in multiple lines. Absolute value of any number, be it positive or negative, is the number itself. It's 200. Absolute value of minus 200 is 200.
Okay.
Absolute sign of a negative number is minus 1. Sign of a positive number is plus 1. That's the sign function.
Okay.
Okay. Round. Rounding a numeric value. This is your value. 123.789. You want to round it to 2 decimal places.
Okay.
2 decimal places.
Yeah.
So when you want to round this to 2 decimal places, it becomes 0.79.
Yeah.
Because 9 is more than 5. So 1 gets carried to 8 and 8 becomes 9, 0.79 rounding.
Okay.
So when you truncate, I'm just giving truncate, opposite of round. So truncate this value to 0 decimal places.
Okay.
So it becomes 1, 2, 3. That's all. No decimal places at all. Truncating. I'm not given comma something, right? Comma is the number of decimal places.
So no, if you can you go back a rounding? So when I say 1, 2, 3 points, let's say 7, 6, 2, and then comma 2,
Okay.
and then how would
It
it
remains
round?
7, 6. It becomes only 7, 6 because 2 is less than 5, right? It remains only
What
0.76.
what if it's 765?
Even then it is 0.76 only because it
Okay.
should be more than 5, right?
More
For you
than
to
5.
carry
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Yes. Seal. Seal will always give you the upper limit. 12
Okay.
point something becomes 13. Floor will always give you the lower limit.
Lower
18
limit.
point something is 18 only.
Okay. The
Modulus
ceiling
is going to give you the remainder.
the remainder.
Yes.
Okay.
23 divided by 3. What
Okay,
is the
that's it.
remainder you get?
Okay,
2.
so yeah, okay. Yes.
Square root. Okay. Square root of 64 is 8.
Yeah. 8. Okay, yes.
And then, yes, power. What is power? 3 raised to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3.
Okay, so 3 power 3. Okay, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you actually say the ask? Can I say I repeat the first two things, please? Select tab, select ABS, and sign.
Yes, absolute value of any number is the number itself, be it positive or negative. It's 200.
Okay.
Absolute value is 200. Sign
Okay.
is -1 or +1. Sign of a positive value is +1 and sign of a negative value is -1.
So I'm sorry, I'm confused there. So absolute value is something which is like even if it's anything minus, it's like plus. It becomes a plus.
Yes, yes, yes. The number, that's all. It's plus 200.
Okay. So sign is something. Let's say sign minus 10 becomes what? Becomes
-1. -1 because it's a negative number. Sign of 100 is +1. Sign of -100 is -1. Just to tell
why?
you whether it's a positive value or a negative value. If the number is a positive value, +1 is the output. If the
So it
number
just
is a negative
so
value,
okay, it goes to -1. If it's so there's only
yes.
two. There's only two values from this command.
Yeah, yeah. There's only 2 values which can come as output, either
Yeah,
+1 or -1.
-1. Okay, gotcha. Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Yes. Can you please do it?
Yes, I'm
We'll
doing
go.
it. Yes.
We'll get into the next one.
-200. So do you actually use this dual a lot, like in when you do, or when you actually?
No, no, no. It depends. It depends. It depends on what is that we need. If we need something from the table, then dual is of no use. We have to call
No,
it from our tables only.
yes.
From our tables. If you want to call these functionalities on the columns of our table,
Yeah.
it should be our tables only, right?
Okay. Yes, that's true.
So now to learn, I can use it from dual. Just to
Okay.
learn things, I can use dual.
Okay. So this is just like like I say, like a notepad, right? So people
Yes.
who wants to like learn.
Learn a skill. Learn
Yeah.
Oracle commands
Learn
or
how to
learn
get.
Oracle functions can
Okay.
use this. Yes.
The trunk 186. Okay.
Hmm.
123 ceiling. What is the modular do? It's dividing, isn't it?
It's giving you the remainder.
The reminder. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I got you. Okay, I understand. Okay. Okay, 18. Okay. Okay, and I did that. I understood now.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
these are the numeric functions. Now
Yeah.
let's get into date functions. Functions which can be called on date field. Date. Okay. So in Oracle, we have a date function called date. This will give you today's date from your system.
Okay.
Whatever is your system date, it will give
Yeah.
you that.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that is your date. So on the date, what kind of date arithmetics can be done? You can add a date plus something, date minus something.
Yes.
So
Yes.
plus 1 will take you forward by a day, minus 1 will take you back by a day.
By day. Yes. So you can only do by days, not by month. Oh, you can also do. Okay.
No,
Yes.
no, we can't do. There's a different function for that. I'll show you that. I'm just telling you, on a date function, we can do like this. This date plus 1, this date minus 2, go
Yeah.
back by 2 days. On a
Yeah.
date column, see what I'm trying to do this crash.
Okay.
Higher date is a date column, minus 3. I'm going back by 3 days.
Yes. Okay. So you want to execute? Okay. Okay. I will execute that command. Select employee number. Because sometimes I really get confused. I mean, forget what are the columns in the table. So if I want just the columns of the table, there's like either.
Describe table name. See,
Oh, describe.
DESC,
Okay.
table name. It will give you
Okay.
the columns in the table.
Yes. Okay. So employee hire date minus. Okay. It won't say -3 on the output, just the minus on there, right?
Yes.
Okay. 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 Got describe EMP. Okay. Yes, I got it. Understood. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are the date functions? We have date functions like this. Add month, month between, next day, last day, and round. These are the date functions we have. Add
Yeah.
month. What will add month do? It will add certain months to the date.
Yes.
Okay. There is
Yeah.
no add days or add years function. Okay. So, to higher date, I am adding 2 months.
Okay. So next day, hire date 2. I see in here like what are the round means? Like I see here add months in the 4th line.
No, I'll do that later. First do this,
Okay.
whatever is selected.
Which one? Like select. Okay, that one there. Okay, select employee hire. Okay. Yeah, add underscore month. Okay, so it added like what 2 months.
Yes, that's right. No, that is what we were trying to do.
Okay. Yes, employee hire date is December. Okay, 18 January. Yeah, yes, it's 2 months. Exactly 2 months from
Month
EMP.
between. Yeah, what is month between doing? It is finding the difference between 2 dates in terms of months. Month between is finding difference between 2 dates in terms of months. Okay, how many months are there between hire date and today's date? Today's date is a bigger date. Today is 2017, right? 2017.
Okay. Okay. No. No. Hold on, Bharti. Like, I was executing the one up the one above. Select employee number, hire date, add months, hire date, comma 2 from employee. I was
Yeah.
executing
You
that.
got the output?
Yes, I got the answer for the previous ones. Yes. So I thought I would.
No, for
Okay.
this one. Add
Oh,
month, did you get the output?
yes. Yes. Add months. I got the output for 2 months, 2 more months, right? So it's employee
Yes.
number, hire date, and add month. Yes.
2
The
months
next.
added. You can verify. If it is 10th February, it would be 10th April. 2
Yes.
months added. Just you
Yes.
can compare. Okay.
Yes.
Now
I
I'm
did.
taking you to the next function.
Next
I'm
one.
taking
Okay.
you to the next function. Yeah,
Okay.
which is the next function? Months between.
Months
So what will
between.
months between do? It will find the difference in 2 dates in terms of months.
Okay.
Okay, it will subtract the smaller from the bigger and it will give you the number of months between them.
Okay, so it will subtract. I'm confused.
It will find the difference between these 2 dates in terms of months.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay.
1982 or 2017, how many months are there? Almost around 40 months,
Yes.
39 to 40 months,
Yes.
right?
Okay. Okay. Yes. I'll try to execute it. Months in between.
Months underscore between.
Oh, months got between, and then system
Yeah.
date and hire date. Okay. No. Hire. It should be in hire date. Should be in like in caps.
No,
No. Okay. Months
no, no.
between. Oh, I should write what's EMP EXP.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, not. You have to write select. Select state, comma. Everything is select, right? You have to do
Yes.
the whole thing.
I said select months underscore between system date comma hire date from EMP.
Yes, that's
Right.
fine. That's fine. Absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine.
Okay. System.
Have
Okay.
you
System. Okay. System. Okay. Yeah, I got number of months. What's it between number of months
Yes,
between system date and hiring date? So it's like almost 400 months, I guess.
yes,
Yeah. Okay.
yes. Okay. Now, what are we going to understand by this output? Nothing much. So I will divide
Can
by
I ask you?
12.
Can I
So
ask
I
you one
will
thing?
get
So, like, can
you.
I ask you one thing? So, if I want to like not trim it, but like what's the previous function we did? Basically,
Round.
I don't know.
You have to round it, round. There's no
Round
big it,
it.
right? I'm showing you that. Round.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Okay.
it looks so weird, right? With all
Yes.
those decimal places.
Yes.
So round. Round of the whole thing. Divide by
Oh.
12. I'm doing divide by 12 because I'll get the number of years.
Okay.
Months divided by 12 will give you the years, right?
Oh yes. 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 I did round. Okay. Okay. System select months between. Okay. Select. So should okay. Okay. Select round. Uh, months between system date, hire date. Oh. Okay. Now I got it. Like yes. System. Okay. Rounds months in
Okay.
between system. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
So first we are doing months between this and this. You got some value, some
Yes.
months. Divide by 12, we get in terms of years. You don't
Yeah.
want those decimal places. So you just round it, round the
Okay.
whole thing. You get
Okay.
the whole number. Yes,
Yeah.
that's the months between function. Now what is
Yeah.
the output you're getting? You're getting the number of years the employee has spent in the organization till today.
Yeah. So no, can I ask one question? Like if it's like 28 days, so and it's like
Yes.
how does it do it? So it's like it considers a month, not like not 28 days, right? So
No. It will take the fraction of the month. It is 1 month and 1.9 months, something like that.
Yeah.
Almost 1 month, right? Yeah, that is why you got those fraction decimals.
Yeah. So let's say if it's like 1.1, someone worked like like 1 month and 10 days, 1 month and 25 days.
Yes.
So it'll only consider
1 month and 25 days. So it is 1 month, 1.85 something, because 0.85 is almost 100, right? Like that. It will divide. It will divide by 30. Actually, it will divide by 30. 30 days or 31 days. Total number of days.
My question, what's the output would be, like 2 months or 1 month?
It will be 1 month. We are rounding, right? So it will be. We are rounding it, right?
Even if it's like 1.995, it will be actually 1 month.
It will be two round. We are doing round. We are not truncating, right?
Okay. Round is something. If it's more than 5, it's 2.
Yes,
it's less than 5.
Yes. Okay. Yes. It will round it to the higher value.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Next day. What will next day? Then I'm taking you to next date function. Next day.
Yes.
Okay. With respect to today, you want to know when is the next Sunday?
Yes.
With respect to today, when is the next weekday? Whatever weekday you want, you can type here: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay. Okay. So next day, system day, sysdate. Come on. Sunday. From GL. Okay. Yes, it's like 2nd July 17. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can give, instead of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2. Okay. Tuesday is 3. So instead of giving like that, you can give 6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is what? Next Saturday.
Okay.
You can do it, or you can do this way also. Select next day off. With respect to Tuesday.
Yeah.
Select next day off from this.
Yes. You can do that. Yes.
Yes, you can do that also. It will be next Saturday. That is 1st July.
Yeah.
Okay. Last day. With respect to today, what is the last day of the month? 30th June?
Yes. Select last day. Okay.
The calendar. Yes. The calendar, in the calendar, the last day.
Yeah. Yes, I got the output. The 30th June 17.
Then,
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Round and trunk, we saw them as numeric functions.
Yes.
Round and trunk, we saw them as numeric functions.
Yes.
You also have round and trunk date functions. So how do date functions work? Okay. You can round a date. You can round a date with respect to year, month, or a day, or day. There are 3 ways.
Okay.
If you want to round a date, today's date.
Okay.
Today's date is 28th of June, right? Even to you, 28th of June, somewhere around 11:30 a.m.
Yes.
11:30. Yeah.
Yes.
To you, what's the time?
Hello.
Yeah. What's the time there?
It's 10:30 right now.
Yeah. So, okay, it is 28th June. Okay.
Yes.
Rounding 28th June to the year. The June is the 6th month of the year.
Yes.
They have not completed 6 months. They have not completed first half. So rounding with respect to year will take us to 1st January 2017.
Yes. Yes.
If we were in the month of August, if we were in the month of September, rounding it would have taken us to
2018.
1st January 2018. Yes, 2018.
Yeah.
Now let's go around with respect to month. We are already in. Yeah, we are already on 28th of this month.
Yes.
We are already on 28th of the month.
Yes.
So we have almost completed June. So it will take us to 1st July.
Yes.
1st July 2017.
Yes.
Rounding with respect to day. Rounding with respect to day. So you have not completed today. You have just started your day. Wednesday you have started, still it's morning 10:30 for you, right?
Yes.
Wednesday is the middle of the week, is in the center of the week. You have 3 days this side and 3 days that side.
Yes. Yes.
So you are still in the first half of your Wednesday. You have
Yes.
not crossed, you have not gone to the second half. But
Yes.
I have completed my day, almost done. 2 more hours, I'll be completing Wednesday and I'll be getting into Thursday. So with respect to today, if you want to round it with respect to today, if you want to round it with respect to today, to take you to nearest to Sunday.
Nearest Sunday, yes.
The nearest Sunday was 25th June for you. For me, it is 2nd July.
Oh, so day is Sunday, is it? I'm sorry, like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, day is the nearest to Sunday. Day will always take you to nearest to Sunday.
Oh, not the week. So there's no week in here then.
No, no, no.
Okay. Okay. So when I said select round system day from Jewel,
Yes.
It's going to 25th June 17.
Yes, yes, yes. For you. But for me, it will show something else.
Oh, because it's next week.
Second.
Yes, it's next week. Okay, excellent. So okay,
I've completed my day.
Okay, okay.
I've crossed my first half of Wednesday. But you have not yet crossed. For you, it will give you 24th of June.
Yeah.
You saw my output. I'm getting 2nd July.
Yes.
Got it, Krish? That's about the date functions.
Yes, I got it. How can I get the white background for SQL command line?
Yeah, you do this. You right click on properties.
Properties. Okay.
Go to the colors. Go to screen text. Screen text, you make it black.
Okay.
Screen background, you make it white.
Okay.
And say
Gotcha.
okay. That's
okay, then.
That's
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll stop here for today. We'll continue in tomorrow's session, but I'll share you a couple of lessons. I'll share a couple of lessons and also the classwork, whatever the notepad file I'm being executed. So you will have good time to practice. You'll have a lot of things to practice. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Chris. Yeah.
Have a good night. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.